Recording.
Alright, hey, how you guys doing? Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my veggie-oil school bus conversion. It's registered as an RV, and the main reason it's a veggie school bus, it runs on waste vegetable oil, and here's a tank that I've installed. I just took a 60-gallon semi-truck tank and it put inside of here an Arctic Fox tank heater for cold weather diesel starting conditions, and that's connected to my coolant system with the antifreeze and everything. So when the truck starts up, it starts heating up these lines in here and gets the tank all warm on the veggie oil warm. And I'll take you inside to the cockpit and we can see the truck on the way by here. Look in the engine compartment. Got it open right now. There's the guts, so let's step on board here for a minute. So here is where the coolant system connects with the Arctic Fox tank warmer. You can see down here this orange valve connected to the old heater cores to the heating system for the underseat heating system, which was heated by the hot fluid from the engine. And I added these splices, and you can turn on this knob right here to allow hot water to enter the loop and heat up the tank. And what we got here right now is a plug-in into an inverter, and this is our line heater. It's a scientific line heater meant to keep pipes at a certain temperature. And what I've done is wrap one of these scientific heaters around some galvanized piping, and we'll go check out the interior of the engine compartment. I can show you that. So that plug-in is connected right here, and this plugs in right here to this scientific line here, right here, and I got it cranked up. It says 400 degrees on here, and it is capable of that when it has a slow flow. But when we have a rapid flow of either diesel or veggie on here, it's just right where we need, in the 160 to 200 range. So what happens is that tank I showed you is feeding this line right here. This line enters this heater core, this heated filter. It's also designed for semi-truck diesel use. And when the fuel enters that, it gets filtered in this replaceable filter in the clear dome, clearish yellow dome. And then it goes back into the fuel system. So now right here I've got another T coming off of here, and that is going to be some hot and filtered fuel coming through here. Now it's going to go into the engine now through this piping, and that's where all the this silicone covered scientific heater is wrapped around. And I got the valves coming in for diesel here, and I got my veg valve right here. Veg valve is off right now, diesel valve is on, because that's when we start it and turn it off on diesel to keep the lines clean and everything. And then below here, of course, we have to have the returns. And right now my veg return is off and my diesel return is on, because that's going to feed two separate tanks, and I need to make sure that I know that my veg or my diesel is going back to the right tank, because most of the fuel doesn't really get used. And that's it, and the next thing we're going to do is start her up in a bit. So next clip.